Welcome to the new world. One where travel is no longer an option. You've packed your things, and now you're set up for work at home. So how do we as consultants comfortably make the jump to the online world? Here's how we did it, and how we made sure we're staying productive. Here's how we've maintained productivity in the face of adversity. First off, technology is your friend. If you haven't already, start looking at apps like Zoom for online meetings, Asana for sharing tasks with colleagues, and Slack or Skype for general communication. Using apps as communication tools makes it easier than ever to share thoughts and ideas over the internet. At The Art of Service, we use Zoom for our business meetings, Asana to keep our tasks all in one place, and Skype for our general chit-chat, so we don't go crazy and run through the streets. If it's not already blaringly obvious, communication is key, both with colleagues and with clients. That way you, your peers, and your clients all know what's going on, and everyone's happy. Lastly, make sure you're keeping yourself on track. Make checklists, set alarms, even make deals with the people you work with to keep yourself moving. Whatever it takes to keep yourself active and busy. At The Art of Service, we've found that keeping each other accountable through a daily huddle where we outline our work for the day has been the most effective. Ultimately, the time we live in has made our work rather difficult, but rest assured that our work can still be done, even in the face of adversity. If you would like to learn more about The Art of Service and how we help consultants like yourself, head to www.theartofservice.com, where we can unleash your potential.